Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix display quality and fix blurry text on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go ahead and right click on your desktop. And from here, make sure to click on display settings. Then from here, make sure your display settings is set to the recommended, your highest resolution available. And select the suitable scaling size for you. Mine is 125%. You can try to play around with all of this and see what suits you. After that, just close this. Then just go ahead to search and search for clear text. And you'll find adjust clear text, ClearType text rather. Just open it. From here, just click on next. And it's gonna fix your monitor to show the text much more clear. So just click on next. Then just select the one that you see better. I see this one better. Keep doing it for 5 times. And I see this one better. Just select the one you see better among all of them. Okay, this one. Probably this one. Probably this one now. And there you go. Your monitor has been fine-tuned. You can click on finish now. And the last thing you can do is just go ahead and update your graphics drivers. As you can see, I have an NVIDIA graphics card. So I can just go ahead to NVIDIA control panel and update it. If you have AMD or Intel one, just go to your control panel and update it. And then just go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to improve display quality and fix blurry text on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.